Let me introduce you to the VARIO Signature 1200, a luxurious high-end motorhome that's redefining the road trip experience. Built on a Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis, this behemoth is 12 meters long, weighing in at a whopping 26 tons. But the real showstopper is the massive car garage, capable of accommodating a car as large as a Mercedes-Benz AMG GT. The Signature 1200 is not just a motorhome, it's a statement of comfort and style, designed for lavish travel. With a spacious interior that can host up to 6 people, it's equipped with all the amenities you'd expect in a high-end motorhome: a kitchen, bathroom, living area, and bedroom. The kitchen boasts a refrigerator, stove, oven, and dishwasher, while the bathroom features a shower, toilet, and sink. The bedroom is a haven with a queen-sized bed and a wardrobe. The base price for the VARIO Signature 1200 is $922,000. This is a luxury on wheels. Brace yourselves, because this Italian motorhome is blowing minds with a jaw-dropping 1,076 square feet of floor space. And yes, it's on wheels. It's not just a motorhome, it's a luxurious haven, almost indistinguishable from a high-end apartment building. Need to squeeze in a business meeting? No problem. Craving a dinner party? Easy. Longing for some relaxation after a hard day's work? Absolutely. The bathroom alone can host a sleepover, and the terrace? Perfect for a barbecue party. This monster house is 44 feet long and nearly 20 feet wide, transforming into your stylish, comfortably furnished dream space in about half an hour. Packed with useful appliances, this Italian marvel is not just a motorhome, it's a rolling mansion of epic proportions. Check out this charming mini cottage from the experts in Poland, who clearly know a thing or two about mobile homes. This quaint 614 square foot house is not just a place to stay, it's an invitation to get closer to nature, explore new horizons, and yes, relax on your sofa while catching up on your favorite TV shows. Boasting 2 bedrooms, a living room with a kitchenette, bathroom, lounge, and terrace, this mini cottage is a compact haven. With polyurethane insulation and underfloor heating, comfort is guaranteed, and the huge windows provide stunning views of nature. Standing at 8.2 feet tall and weighing about 35,200 pounds, this modern mobile home crafted by the Polish experts has taken the market by storm, with 2,000 houses already sold in 16 countries across Europe. Don't miss out. If you place an order, you'll have to wait about 4 months. But trust me, it's worth the wait for your dream mobile home adventure. Imagine chasing the best waves along the coast in the Truck Surf Hotel, a one-of-a-kind luxurious motorhome designed specifically for surfers. Picture this: a 2-story, 5-room bed and breakfast on a Mercedes Actros truck chassis. While on the move, it measures a compact 11.2 meters in length, 2.55 meters in width, and 4 meters in height. But when expanded, the height increases to a lofty 6.5 meters. The Truck Surf Hotel accommodates up to 10 guests in its 5 rooms, for doubles and 1 single. With a fully equipped kitchen, bathroom with a shower, a cozy living area, and a rooftop terrace, this mobile haven has it all. Complete with air conditioning, heating, and Wi-Fi, it's the perfect getaway for surf lovers. Now, here's the catch. The Truck Surf Hotel itself is not available for purchase, but the experience it offers is absolutely priceless. Buckle up and join these German experts as we turn the ignition key on the Expedition motorhome, a beast that rolled out of the workshop a decade ago but is still roaring in excellent condition, ready to tackle the toughest challenges. Built on a MAN TG 6x6 truck with a 480 horsepower engine, it boasts a 12-speed gearbox, satellite navigation, and powerful xenon headlights. With a fuel capacity of 211 gallons, this motorhome is your ticket to untamed exploration. The roof, decked out with solar panels, a folding mast, and equipment, is a testament to its versatility. Inside, live more comfortably than in some apartments, a complete bathroom, a kitchen equipped with a stove, fridge, and other appliances, a lounge and dining area with a large screen, sofa, and table, plus an abundance of beds. This expedition motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's an invitation to a life of adventure on the open road. Get ready to be wowed by the revolutionary V90 Villa Edition, an RV that's rewriting the rules of mobile homes. Crafted by SAIC Motor, this unique vehicle transforms from a single-story RV into a two-story moving home with a panoramic sunroom when stationary. The main level offers a sprawling 200.15 square feet of space, complete with a living room, kitchen, luxury bar, and bathroom. But here's the kicker: the upper level, accessible via an elevator, provides an additional 133 square feet, perfect for an open sunlight room, a zen space, or even a study. The V90 Villa Edition doesn't just stop at space, it flaunts an exterior pull-out cooking area, LED lighting, a JBL sound system, washing machine, kitchenette, and air conditioner. Currently available in China for about $413,000. This is not just an RV, it's a rolling masterpiece of comfort and innovation. Hey there, imagine having a house on wheels. And I'm not talking about your typical RV, this extraordinary model comes all the way from Australia. At 28 feet long, it's a compact marvel providing owners with about 300 square feet of living space. The most intriguing features include a loft bedroom, a convenient L-shaped kitchen, a spacious tiled shower with a window, and numerous custom drawers and cabinets for storage, including under the stairs leading to the attic. But here's the real kicker: you have the flexibility to add extra areas, like an office. The interior design is a blend of modern and stylish, featuring plenty of LED lighting, composite trim, and natural wood. Ready for the road? The price for this unique house on wheels starts at $130,000. Introducing a revolutionary tiny home solution that redefines flexibility without compromising comfort or style, the ingenious GRANDE S1. This compact dwelling can be expanded from a snug 140 square feet to a spacious 364 square feet in just 15 minutes, providing ample room for living and entertaining. The GRANDE S1 comes fully furnished, featuring a living area, kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom. It's easily towable with an F-250 or equivalent and can be assembled on-site within 15 minutes. The main structure, made of high-tensile steels filled with rigid polyurethane, ensures reliability and safety. Not just that, it supports off-grid living with solar solutions powered by Renigi, all for the price of $85,000, a game-changer for those seeking flexibility, comfort, and style in a tiny home. Get ready to be amazed by this masterpiece from a Swiss company with a factory in Portugal. At first glance, it might seem unsightly, based on the Iveco Daily, but hold on, it's a motorhome like no other. This behemoth is a whopping 30.2 feet long, weighing in at 16,500 pounds, and it even comes with a surprise garage in the back. The team customizes these motorhomes in order of offering the flexibility to choose vehicles from Iveco or other brands like Mercedes. You can pick from ready-made configurations or craft something entirely your own. The standard set includes a spacious bedroom or garage, a bathroom, a well-equipped kitchen, a comfortable seating area, and swivel seats for the driver and navigator. The integrated smart system simplifies control, allowing you to unfold the bed, extend the awning, or turn on the lights at the touch of a button. Allow me to introduce the Timbercraft Big Sky, a 399 square foot gym inspired by the captivating architecture of Western Montana. Featuring a shed roof style, Western cedar horizontal metal siding, and sleek black clad windows, its exterior exudes both uniqueness and style. Inside, bask in the coziness of shiplap walls, hardwood floors, and stained tongue and groove ceilings. The Big Sky offers a spacious living area complemented by a comfy couch and a fireplace, while the galley-style kitchen boasts stainless steel appliances, granite countertops, and an oven. With a king-sized and a queen-sized bed in separate rooms, this tiny home ensures a restful sleep. The bathroom at the back is well appointed with a shower, toilet, and sink. Merging style with functionality, the Timbercraft Big Sky stands out as an excellent choice for those seeking a tiny house on wheels, starting at an affordable $50,000. Ever wondered about the thriving horse industry in the US? Well, as of 2018, it's a whopping $102 billion, with over 10 million horses calling the country home. Now, check out this game changer on the screen. A hybrid marvel between a specialized horse trailer and a motorhome, delivering all the comforts you can imagine. Crafted in the US, this beauty is not just versatile, it's a whole new level of equestrian luxury. Measuring 8 feet wide and 7.8 feet high, it's marketed as a family vehicle, featuring a spacious bedroom, a recreation area, kitchen, bathroom, and a 15-foot insulated area to pamper several lucky horses. Everything, from furniture to appliances, comes in the standard configuration. The only thing left to wonder is how this incredible contraption navigates city streets, a true blend of horsepower and home comfort. Allow me to introduce you to the Cortes 17, a 17-foot single-axle travel trailer designed by Cortes campers that's making a splash in the camping community. Renowned for its lightweight design, courtesy of the patented composite Monoco frame, made from a blend of fiberglass and resin, the Cortes 17 weighs in at a mere 2,680 pounds dry, making it effortlessly towable and maneuverable. Inside, this travel trailer accommodates two with a comfortable double bed in the rear, and a convertible dinette for additional sleeping space. The galley kitchen boasts a sink, stove, and refrigerator, providing all the essentials for your culinary adventures. The compact bathroom includes a toilet and shower, ensuring you have everything you need on the go. Priced at $45,988 for a new Cortes 17 in 2024. Hey folks, not everyone's in the market for massive power, oversized payloads, or fancy tiled bathrooms, right? If you're a fan of simple and compact solutions, check out this nifty trailer from Australia that's rocking a cool retro style with some fascinating transforming elements. Unfold a couple of sofas, and voila, you've got yourself a comfy bed, even if you're pushing 6.4 feet tall. The headboard's skylight lets you soak in the daylight while reading and stargaze at night. They've done something clever with the kitchen too, at the back. Complete with a stove, refrigerator, sink, and even a spot for a portable shower. Unfortunately, the company's closed its doors, but who knows, someone might just pick up these brilliant ideas and run with them. Simple, cozy, and full of potential, that's what this trailer's all about. Let me introduce you to the SEVERN Lamb double-deck trolley, a true marvel seamlessly merging historical charm with cutting-edge technology. This trolley is the embodiment of authenticity, meticulously handcrafted to stand out in any city, shopping center, or tourist spot. Its design beautifully blends classic elements like hard-wearing wood and brass with modern touches, such as LED exterior lighting. But it's not just about aesthetics. This trolley runs on proven electrical technology, ensuring longevity and easy maintenance. With the capacity to accommodate 50 to 70 passengers and a maximum speed of 16 kilometers per hour, it's not just a looker, it's designed for comfort and safety, making it the ideal choice for high-capacity transport. Let's wrap up on the Houseboat Classic 180, the epitome of spacious and luxurious living on the water, designed for year-round comfort. With a generous total area of 450 square meters, this houseboat is not just a residence, it's a floating haven. Powered by 2 engines, it gracefully cruises at 10 kilometers per hour with a thrilling maximum speed of 16 kilometers per hour. Crafted from high-quality materials and boasting a modern design, the living room features a large glass wall, providing breathtaking views of the water. The fully equipped kitchen and comfortable, spacious bedrooms make it feel like home. Step out onto the terrace, a perfect spot to unwind, complete with ample space for a table, chairs, and sun loungers. Priced at $643,000, the Houseboat Classic 180 promises a life of luxury and tranquility on the water.